Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the multi-line functions to draw rows quickly and smartly. The multi-line functions built on the new coding and plotting system can automatically assign codes and draw lines. Here are 3 steps to start your multi-line measuring. Firstly, create a new code box. Enable multi-line options and set numbers of lines and measure methods. Here I will use 3 lines and zigzag. Secondly, assign codes to the code box in your desired measuring order. Thirdly, start measuring. The system will automatically assign codes and measure the road.
During multi-line measurements, you can pause the current code assignment and resume at any point as needed. Additionally, the system allows seamless switching between different code boxes. Once other tasks are completed, you can return to the multi-line code box and continue line measurement without interruption. With the multi-line measurement, you can focus on surveying while the software handles the drawing and code assignment.
See, that's how multi-line measurements make road measurements easier and faster in SurvStar 2025. While you're waiting for, download the latest SurvStar and have a try. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We are always eager to share the latest news. See you next time. Bye bye.